So I've been in the culinary scene for, I don't know, a couple decades.
A minute.
Never done a smash burger, ever. So that's a first. And I see him on the internet all the time. You know, I've done things on the griddle before, but kind of excited to do this, all right? So let's jump into this one together. Here we go. So cooked hundreds and thousands of burgers, but never the smash burger. And I just want to keep it extremely simple. I want the burger to speak for itself. Little caramelized onions. I don't want discs. Yeah, let's keep it discs. We could use red onion if you like, and I like that at a raw state, but these little beauties right here, see how it's nice and translucent. All that cellular structure just revealed. Those residual sugars are just going to caramelize and be absolutely stunning. So that's enough for our burgers. We'll make a quick sauce. Let's go ahead and do it right now. Easy burger sauce, easiest one I've ever known, okay? Little bit of ketchup
And mayo?
Little bit of Duke's mayonnaise, and then, you know, usually I use some Lowry seasoning, but I'm gonna go in with a little SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, one of my favorites, and just kind of bump that up a little bit. So we've got our burger sauce now. How easy was that? We've got some my sister-in-law's pickled jalapenos.
Oh, homemade pickles?
Yeah,
All right.
pickled jalapenos.
Yeah.
We've got some really nice thin sliced onion. I've got Havarti cheese and cheddar, so we'll do a little mixture there today. And then I'll use my serrated utility knife here and just slice these burger buns. Well, let's go ahead and shred our cheese while we're at it. I've got a really exciting accessory on the grill. In the comment section below, before you see it, guess which new Kamado Joe carbon steel accessory we've got on the Big Joe, and you'll maybe win a prize. How about that? Yeah. I do love to do two different cheeses. I don't know, for some reason the craveability is just there for me. And then, as always, with our shredded cheese, we season.
That's a great trick.
Yeah. And that's our mise en place. We are ready to go. Let's take a look at this accessory, this unnamed accessory. Oh, there it is. All right, the griddle. This is the carbon steel griddle. And, you know, we use it to do some, I think some shrimp quesadillas earlier. I just want to get a little oil coverage here. All right, while that's warming up, let's go ahead and make our little smash burgers. So I like to go about a little larger than a golf ball. And if we could do this in twos if we wanted to make them doubles, but we're just gonna go singles today. That's a good size there. I don't like to mix it up or overwork the meat, right? We're not making meatballs here. We're not adding eggs and cheese and all kinds of different stuff. We're just gonna try to keep that grain as natural as we can and not overwork it. And I prefer an 80-20 grind for these, just like my standard burgers. Nothing too fatty. That's good right there. Beautiful. So a little bit of seasoning on that griddle where you're gonna smash them in. Yeah.
It's a fun trick.
I mean, it is fun, right? Now we're gonna pick up our individual smash burgers. We're gonna go right on the seasoning. Give them a little space in between. Saying the expert that's making his first smash burger. And then before we smash them, we're gonna put some of those onions right on top. And it's okay if it gets around, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Make it look fun, make it look fun. Also want to go some of those pickled jalapenos right on top.
Oh, fun.
Yeah. Now with our flexible spatula, let's give them a smash. Nice and flat. Beautiful. And I'm already getting those grilled beef hamburger aromas. Maybe a little twist and it slides. And now I can take some of these other onions too, get them right in there. Make sure it gets in that smash. That's a thing of beauty. That is a mosaic of deliciousness. Let's go ahead and season one more time. Let that sear for a minute or two. Let some rendering occur, some caramelization occur. Then we're going to do about a minute or two later, flip. Oh my gosh, almost forgot the buns. And now that we're here and we're doing this, I see these guys and I want to do doubles. So I think instead of putting all four down, we're just going to do two burgers. And look how outsized the buns are to the burgers. I'm loving that. I'm loving every single bit of that. Monstrous burgers, tiny buns, gorgeous. This is gonna be fun. Getting weird. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's do the old flip. And I like to shimmy underneath anytime I'm doing anything on the griddle. Oh yeah, stunning. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. We're gonna go elsewhere. Notice right here, the heat's kind of sucked out. We come over here, we've got more heat on that griddle, and that's exactly right. Now that it's still warm here, now's the time for our cheese. Flip those buns and go ahead and sauce them right on the griddle. I want to be a part of the process. I want to be right here in it. Oh yeah. Ooh, I haven't done these sooner. And go ahead for the stack. Oh yeah. Maybe we take some of these onions that have fallen by the wayside that are nice and seasoned and put them in between this one. Whoa. Pro move. And now I'm going to close the dome and just let that residual heat from the dome finish melting that. We'll go ahead and take these beauties. Oh, they're good. They're good. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Well, okay, that's the top, bottom, bottom. Oh, yeah. I dig in the oversize. Little top. Oh, look, I picked up the salt and pepper there. Reminds me of a beef on wet top. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not losing you. Look at that. That is just silly. Silly delicious. That's a beautiful little simple burger. I completely understand the appeal of these things. Like, you're not going medium rare on these, you're just going full caramelization. Again, I see the appeal. And the onions just really permeate the whole entire thing. You get that because you smash it right in there. If you're like me and really enjoy those fast cooks and want an approachable burger that you've never done before, try the smash burger and the griddle. You know, it's a blast. All right, still getting that natural lump charcoal flavor, so powered by our secret ingredient. That's absolutely delicious, folks. If you enjoyed this recipe as much as I just enjoyed that bite, do me a favor, do all the things: subscribe, like, do leave us a comment. And as always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.